Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Solve for x and y, and we have two linear equations sitting here. Well, that says simultaneous equations, if nothing else. How do we do it? Well, in a previous video I did this using substitution, and I said at the time that on first glance this looked like a candidate for elimination. And I gave an undertaking that I would do these two equations and solve for x and y using elimination. So that's what we're going to do today. There are other methods, but this is what we're going to do. Now, I'm just going to tidy this up a little bit and get it into a form in which it looks a little bit more like the sort of thing that you would see for a normal simultaneous equation. Okay, so I said I'd use elimination. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get these two numbers to a common multiple. And it's very easy to do this. You simply multiply the top equation by this number, 3, not negative 3, you don't have to bother with that, just by 3. And you multiply the bottom equation by this number, 2. So let's go to work. 4 3s are 12, 12x, 3 times 2 is 6, so 6y, 6 times 3 is 18. Bottom equation. 3 times 2 is 6, 6x. 3 times 2 is, sorry, that's negative 6x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6y, and you can see how these will disappear, hopefully. 6y minus 6y, that will disappear. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. And all we have to do now is add the bottom row to the top row. So 12x plus negative 6x gives me 6x. Negative 6y plus 6y, negative 6y plus 6y, gives me nothing. It disappears. 18 plus negative 12 is the same as 18 minus 12, which is 6. X, therefore, is equal to 1. And that's x found. Now, what do we do next? Well, we take this value and we substitute it into one of these. I'm going to do this one. So 4 times 1, which is x, plus 2y equals 6. So you can see how I've just moved the 6 as I did here. So 4 plus 2y equals 6. 2y is equal to 6 minus 4. I've simply subtracted 4 from both sides, which gives me 2. 2y equals 2. Y is equal to 1. One solution, second solution. Okay, so let's try this out. We'll try this out in this equation. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Minus 3 times 1, negative 6, plus 6 equals 0. I'd say that's a tick. So, if you were to compare this to the previous video using these two equations, you would see that substitution took longer, but it was possible. Elimination probably is the more efficient of the two. Anyway, that's how you do this using elimination. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a look at the other video. Bye.